Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're kicking off an incredible 30-day squat challenge designed to transform your glutes and legs. Are you ready to get stronger, fitter, and more confident? Let's dive in. Hey, if you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and drop a comment below. It really helps us reach more awesome people like you. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for building strength and toning your lower body. Over the next 30 days, we'll guide you through a series of squat variations that will target your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. Let's start with the basics. On day 1, we'll focus on the classic squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, keep your back straight, and lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Remember to keep your knees behind your toes. By day 10, we'll mix things up with some squat variations like sumo squats and jump squats. These will challenge different muscle groups and keep things interesting. On day 20, we'll increase the intensity with weighted squats. Grab a pair of dumbbells or any household item that adds resistance. This will help in building more muscle and strength. Congratulations, you've made it to day 30. For the final challenge, we'll do a squat circuit combining all the variations we've learned. Push yourself and see how far you've come. Check out these amazing transformations from our community. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with the challenge and you'll see incredible results. Thanks for joining us on this 30-day squat challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness challenges and tips. Share your progress with us using Squat Challenge. Let's get squatting.